What is up YouTube? Welcome back again. It's about technoboy, and in this video I'm going to unbox and check another multimedia speaker. It's a 2.1 multimedia speaker, and here you can see it's from Amazon Basic. Well, I like their product. I have tested some speakers of them, but didn't test any 2.1. So this is the first time I'm testing the 2.1 Bluetooth and all multimedia home theater from Amazon Basic. So this is going to be a very interesting video. Please watch till the end, and if you're new to my channel, then subscribe to my channel and check my other channels. You'll find the links in the description below, and if you like my work, then you can donate anything to my channel. You'll find the payment links in the description below. So go there, go to my description and check all the links and everything out. So now let's start. All right, so at the top here, get this small foam kind of thing package, and in that thing get one satellite speaker and the second one, and in the middle you get this documentation and a nice small little remote control, and then here comes the big boy, the main unit, the subwoofer. So nothing else in the box. So that's the front side of the main unit. The design is nice. Well, I have found another 2.1 Amazon Basic speaker. Well, that thing was like a pretty basic design, flat kind of front panel and all. But this thing is having like two different color tones, the black and the gray, as you can see, and nice volume control is kind of bigger, and then you get the bass control and the treble control and the bass control. And on the top here you get this Bluetooth kit with USB, and all the buttons are there. So the design is very nice. It's kind of same for the channel speakers too. Here you can see both of them. They look so cute, but the front side is open for the channel speakers. You can see no grill is there, but that design is nice, like the transformer one. And same, but here I can see that's a pretty basic paper cone and paper surround, full range, very low wattage driver, I think. Not a woofer or anything like that, and pretty light in weight. But the good thing is that the main unit, it's pretty heavy, so I guess the subwoofer, driver and all the power supply, everything is quite good enough. That's the back side. You get this speaker output port and input, of course. That's the cord for the FM antenna, and the power on off switch as the power cord. And the right side you get this ear passing port right here, and you cannot see the driver anywhere. So that means it kind of old-fashioned band pass subwoofer enclosure, not like today how they're putting the subwoofer at the front or on the side and left side and right side, anywhere. But the subwoofer is inside of this thing. You cannot see that. Inside there would be a partition in the middle, and the chambers would be there, and at the middle panel the subwoofer would be installed. So it creates the pressure inside, and only the air passing port is open there. The bass come out from that port. So we used to have in the long back the Mercury, a 2.1 home theater. That was a very nice one. I had one, of course. So now let's connect this thing up and check the sound of it. Right, so the power is on, and here you can see the nice illumination, and the display is saying the Bluetooth, and here the volume control. You can see your diamond cut lights there. So now let's connect this to my mobile phone and check the most important thing, which is the sound. Time after time, yes, So as you heard, the sound is quite good and bass is also very loud, but the bass is not like that I told you in the Mercury 2.1 home theater. That was also bandpass subwoofer, but the problem is the cabinet, the enclosure is same. At the middle there would be the partition, the subwoofer would be there, but in that thing the air passing port was at the front. So from the backside chamber the air goes through that long port and it goes out from the front. But in this thing here you can see this length is very short and the air passing port is right on this side. And also I think the diameter at the outside is kind of bigger according to this enclosure size. So that's why the bass is a little bit of boomy, not that heavy, deep, vibrating kind of bass. So that's a little bit of difference between that Mercury one and this one. But bass is good, of course, and loud enough. So let's check some more songs. So as I told you, the sound is good enough and the bass is very loud, not that deep vibrating bass, but it is kind of you can say the heart thumping bass and very loud bass. So it's good for bass lover also. And the only downside is the driver channel speakers. I don't like them at all as they are very light in weight, and I can see, but later I can change these two speakers into a woofer. That will cost me around rupees 50 per speaker. So that would be a very cheap replacement and also a nice one. If I change I have shown you many 3-inch woofer speakers before my channel. If you didn't see those videos, you can check from my video library. And if I use any one of those speakers into this one, then they will sound much better than they are making the sound right now. So let me tell you the price. When I tell you the price, you're gonna ignore all this thing as I told you just. So this thing cost me only 1,500 on Amazon. Of course, I got card offer. So there would be different cards offers. So this may become much cheaper than the actual price. And when the Great Indian Festival and other offers are there, then it will be much more cheaper. That's it. That's a very nice deal for a cheap. You can use it as your desktop laptop speaker, because I'm going to connect it to my desktop. I'm going to use it as a desktop speaker because I don't actually like much of his stereo speakers. I like the 2.1 speaker or 5.1. So that's why I'm going to use that. And of course, I'm going to give you a demo of this thing connecting to my PC, how this thing sounds with the PC. As this is the Bluetooth, of course, the Bluetooth signal and quality is different. And when I connect this to the RCA, we're going to check that sound too. So If you like my video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. So that's it. That's all for today. Stay tuned for more videos like this. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.